Hello, namaste. Good evening, everyone. This is Archana Bhat here. I'm here with you to share my yoga journey. So, this is a long story. This happened when I was a teenager. So, during that time, it is full of life. Everyone wants to do new things, venture into new ambition, study, laugh, play, enjoy. But it was not true with me. So when I landed up in my college, so that was a time when I was feeling too much depressed, very sad, and I was not knowing what the hell I'm here in this world, what I want to achieve. So many questions in my mind, and all this led me to depression. And I didn't know what I'm studying, why I'm studying, and what is all going on around the world. So many questions used to come in my mind, like who am I, why am I here? I don't know. Actually, my parents or the situation around me was so good, so there was no need for me to be depressed in that age. But then it was a long suffering of 10 years, even after marriage, and even when I got my child, first son, I was not able to come out of it. Partially, I was uh, suffering a lot. What were the symptoms? Symptoms were not able to eat, no proper sleep, and for a long time, the doctors could not diagnose it what really is happening to me. All the tests were done, nothing came out of it. They were saying physically you're very fine, nothing is wrong with you. And then they pushed me towards the psychiatrist. The psychiatrist started giving me antidepressant pills, and the antidepressant pills made my situation more worse. So that is when I decided I'm not going to take any antidepressant pills. That all because of my husband's support. And I just quit all the medicines, started using my own way of coming out of this problem. I started searching everywhere where I will get the solution. And later in 2015, I joined a small yoga course of 3 months. And that is when the changes started happening on my mental level and also physical level. I started eating properly. I started getting nice sleep at night. So I came to know that somewhere the yoga is helping me a lot. And I didn't want to leave the practice for myself. So I wanted to know more about yoga, how it is changing the entire physical body. Then I joined a yogic science course from D.Y. Patil. That was not sufficient for a 1-year course. My interest into yoga started happening more and more. And then I joined MA course from KJ Sumaya, learning different philosophies, how this I is born, and how all the things, the disturbances in the mind happen, how to come out of it. Everything is written in this philosophies. So all the struggle of human life, how to come out, why it is happening is written into it. My journey into it was like, this is what I'm searching for. And that is when I said I'll full time dedicate myself to yoga and try to make people aware of this science, which is an ancient science available in India. And now it has become an international level. People recognize yoga to keep their mind and body healthy. So many of the psychosomatic diseases that are happening today are only because of mental illness. We know that we should not take stress, we should not take tension. But how to come out of this? The answer, what I found, was in yoga, through meditation, through pranayam, through asanas. So there are many steps and variations through which we can come out of this. It only requires is regular practice. We cannot simply learn theory and try to get well. We need to do this practice every day and then be happy and healthy forever. This doesn't mean that you will not fall ill. If you fall ill also, you will be able to come out of it in a very detached way. You will learn to keep your body detached from the sufferings. You will feel the inner bliss or inner happiness. So this was my journey, and today I'm happy that I'm a yoga teacher, and I love to teach people and also to tell them how yoga has helped me in my life. I also wish that you all practice yoga and lead a very healthy life. Thank you. Namaskaram.